Hey y'all, welcome back, or if you are new, my name is Brianna, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do this DIY honey face mask. And what you're going to need is only 2 ingredients of sweet almond oil and just some honey. You can use any kind. I just used the Kroger brand because it was the one that was open. And then you're just going to add 2 teaspoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of the sweet almond oil and mix it together. So some of the benefits of honey for your skin includes cleaning and tightening your pores, preventing wrinkles, lightening scars, and the honey and almond oil together will make your skin super moisturized, because honey has always been known to make your skin more supple and add elasticity. So when you mix it up, it's going to look like this. It's going to have like a loose jelly consistency. And that's what it looks like when I'm done. So onto applying it, I'm going to put my hair out of my face, and of course, always wash your hands before you apply anything to your face and start off with clean skin. I washed my face before starting this process. Be careful when you're applying it because it is really loose and it can get kind of messy, as you can see. And then you're just going to apply it to your face like any other face mask. When you're done applying your face mask, you want to leave it on for at least 10 to 15 minutes. But beware, during the course of those 10 minutes, you will experience some of the face mask dripping down your face. And so I just took some paper towel to prevent it from dripping on my clothes. After the 10 to 15 minutes, you're going to rinse off your face. I started out with warm water just to get the product off. And then I'm switching the water to cold in order to lock in that moisture and tighten my pores even more. Then I'm patting dry with a clean face towel. And that's pretty much the whole process. You can reapply this twice a week, I would say, in order to get the results that you would like. And this is what my skin looks immediately after the face mask. My skin feels super soft and moisturized, and that is the goal. This is really good for oily skin, and it's not over moisturizing, and that's the best thing about this face mask. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe for more videos like these.